Method 1. This is a regular method. As you may know, the normal file manager will not work with this method. Download ZArchiver, or you can use Explorer for this, but I'll be using ZArchiver for now. Let's get into it. I just downloaded the 808 sample pack. Now let's move it into the FL Studio Mobile folder. Long press on the folder you want to move, then tap Copy from the Options menu. The folder is now copied to your clipboard. Tap on the Android folder. Tap on the Data folder. Now look for the folder with the fruit icon and tap on it. Tap on Files, paste it here, and that's it. Now you can add your samples directly into FL Studio Mobile. Yeah, this method's a little annoying, but the next one makes everything way easier. Keep watching. Method 2. Here's a method that many people are unaware of, or perhaps they've never tried before. It works on my phone, but keep in mind, it may not work on yours. We're essentially moving the file location for your FL Studio Mobile. Just hit that icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Go to Sync section. Tap on Change Location and then choose to copy files. Create a new folder and tap on Use this folder. But I've already created the folder and changed the location, and it works perfectly for me. It may not work for your device. If it does, then thank me in the comments. If it doesn't, go with method 1. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.